Kegel exercise is a special kind of exercise that involves repeatedly contracting and relaxing the muscles down there that form the pelvic floor. It is also called pelvic floor exercise. Even though it can be done by men to improve urine control and to overcome weak erection and premature ejaculation, our focus today is Kegel exercise for women. Watch till the end of this video to learn a scientifically proven, medically approved way to tighten vaginal muscles and pelvic floor muscles easily. And I have a free gift for you at the end of this video. Hello, my name is Dr. Malik Haruna King, and on this channel I supply you with practical tips to help you stay healthy, fit and happy, and improve your personal performance and workplace productivity. And so if today is your first time here, consider hitting the subscribe button and turn on the notification button so you will be the first to get my new videos. Kegel exercise is super important. It can help labor, vaginal delivery, prevent and reduce vaginal tears during delivery, help tighten vaginal muscles which sometimes get weak and loose after childbirth. And so it can help to improve sexual satisfaction because Kegel exercise increases the strength of orgasm and the chances of having an orgasm. Also improves bladder control and so on. The exercise is usually done by squeezing and relaxing the muscles down there, just the way you squeeze when you want to stop urine from flowing out or you want to hold back a fart. The exercise can be performed many times each day for several minutes at a time for 1 to 3 months consistently to begin to have an effect. It can be done anywhere at any time, even as you go about your day. However, this traditional method exercises can be time consuming and difficult to execute correctly. In fact, some persons don't even understand it. That is where pelvic floor weights come to play. Pelvic floor weights are small safe objects you insert in the vagina to stimulate the pelvic muscles to spontaneously contract and relax, thereby strengthening them. The benefits include improving bladder control and thereby reducing embarrassing leaks of urine and feces when sneezing, coughing or laughing. Easier labor, faster childbirth recovery, improving prolapse of the uterus and the vagina, improving one's orgasm and sexual satisfaction, and so on. Now, how do you know and choose a great pelvic floor weight? There are many types and many forms in the market, but look out for these criteria when you want to get one. Quicker result in just 15 minutes a day. After 1 to 2 months, you should feel the difference and have stronger and tighter vaginal muscles. Also check that it is doctor recommended and expert designed because you want something that is safe, smooth, comfortable and effective. Also check that it is body safe because you are inserting something foreign into the body, so you want to make sure that it doesn't bring any form of infection. So if it's silicone, BPA-Free, hypoallergenic so you don't react, and medical grade for safety, non-porous for easy cleaning, no openings or plastic ridges to trap dirt and microorganisms. Very important. When it comes to Kegel exercise, one size doesn't fit all, so you have to get a package that has graded weights. So it should come with different weights so you can choose what is comfortable for you and then advance gradually. Now, out of the several types of Kegel exercise weights I have seen, intimate rose Kegel exercise weight seems to be a great example that fulfills all the criteria we mentioned. It has 6 individual progressively heavier pelvic floor weights that allows you to find the perfect fit and resistance level for your own Kegel exercises. Now, how do you use these weights? First, start with the lightest colored Kegel weight. The darker colors get progressively heavier. So you start with the lightest colored weight and progress gradually. Simply insert the vaginal weights and go about your day while your pelvic wall muscles get a workout in just 15 minutes. Now, you don't want to over exercise those muscles so they don't get sore and cause pain. As you get stronger, you can incrementally intensify your workouts. Results with darker colored. What does the intimate rose pelvic floor strengthening system include? Now, the system includes 6 progressively heavier silicone Kegel weights, a convenient travel bag, detailed instruction manual with exercise program, extensive email support when you need it, and exercise programs. So you can get details from intimaterose.com/Kegel. There you have it. Did you learn anything new today? Don't forget to hit the like button and stay subscribed. And I have a free gift for you. It is an ebook titled Fire Your Doctor. It gives you 30 timeless tips to help you enjoy total health, ideal weight, and better sex, and you can get it through the link in the description section below. Take charge of your health and happiness.